Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, said that the SEC XRP litigation has been scheduled. This makes a lot of sense because we are approaching the point where the Ripple SEC lawsuit sentencing is scheduled for July 2023. The SEC legal battle in July will likely have a significant impact on the cryptocurrency market. Regulatory changes and court rulings will affect the future of the crypto industry, and as a result, XRP will grow significantly. According to the CEO of Ripple, "I've made it clear that they still have hope for summary judgments." The Ripple CEO's quote in front of us suggests that there are two possible outcomes that might occur in the coming days. The first is a resolution to the Ripple SEC lawsuit or a decision by Dutch tourism. The second possibility is a ruling soon in Ripple's favor, citing the weakening stance of the SEC argument. The second outcome is a Ripple SEC settlement, which is significant because it would officially end the Ripple SEC lawsuit. There would be no phase after that, and based on what the settlement resolving, even if the judge were to rule in a matter of days on summary judgment, it wouldn't mean the end of the lawsuit. It takes a lot of time to analyze the data and conduct the research for you guys, so a simple subscription would be greatly appreciated. Also, make sure you guys tap the like button for more videos so that this video gets boos, massive pump in the XRP price, and therefore it would be a massive benefit to both Ripple and the XRP community. Additionally, reports have also cited that the SEC chairman may actually resign. SEC sources have confirmed Gary's opposition to resigning. I came across this article, which was actually published 6 hours ago on the CryptoAlert.com website. It contains some breaking news, according to which Gary Gensler, the SEC chairman, has resigned officially as a result of an internal investigation, according to the anonymous SEC official who spoke on the condition of anonymity because of the sensitive nature of the situation. The decision to resign comes as a result of an internal investigation by the SEC into allegations of misconduct. The specifics of the investigation are private, but the decision to resign highlights the gravity of the findings. This made me factual in particular after reports on June 6, 2023 accused Gary Gensler, the current SEC chairman, of market manipulation to over $2.5 million in short positions. These allegations were made by Coinbase, a significant financial institution. As part of the current United States Securities and Exchange Command, we have received some breaking news regarding what the price of XRP should be in the month of July. This is quite interesting because it is also the month that is anticipated to be the month that the Ripple SEC lawsuit gets resolved. So what is the position of the expert going to be on their SEC loss when it gets resolved? Whether it be a win for Ripple or a settlement is what we're going to address in the following paragraphs. The price of XRP in July. Experts predict a significant XRP breakout between July and December, projecting a 31x increase in the present price of XRP to surge to $15, sending XRP might be preparing for a breakout between July and December with a potential rally they could the rebound. Analysts Torres and Greg recently presented an update on the anticipated time frame for an XRP breakout and its most current research for skyrocket the asset to a $15 price per CRP. Other analysts have made alternative price predictions, indicating that they think the price of XRP will reach the $1 milestone in July, mentioning in an ideal scenario a bounce back from this. The price was determined by dynamic support to reach the neckline. I know many of you guys are wondering, how can you buy XRP if you're in the United States? Well, there's actually an exchange that we have, Pair, which is going to bring the price of XRP to around the juicy mark of $1 per coin, and he also indicated that the XRP price is posed for a 14. Rally going to bring the price of XRP to around the juicy mark of 80 cents 91 cents and $1, and also stating that this breakout will also, pleased to say that I'm very bullish on XRP because Japan is planning to integrate XRP as per their CBDC in every Japanese bank. In fact, according to SBI CEO, every Japanese bank will use Ripple's XRP by 2025. Personally, I still think this is very relevant because it highlights the fact that that many nations are still officially holding off on fully integrating the XRP ledger in their financial system. Some breaking news that people are not talking about, but are so important even within the Ripple SEC lawsuit. Because as we know, Bitcoin has been labeled a clear cryptocurrency even by the current chairman of the SEC. Well, Ethereum has been neutral, and the current tournament has refused to answer whether it's security or cryptocurrency. Worldwide demand liquidity built on. In fact, Ripple CEO has stated that over $755 million have been transferred in less than 4 seconds at a cost of less than 1 cent, emphasizing the efficiency and how cheap XRP actually is if you're to do transactions using it. He also stated that while the cryptocurrency community may have its notes over rebels, XRP cryptocurrency banks seem to be embracing it. Council made several mentions of Ripple, more specifically XRP and a few other cryptocurrencies, and they cited that within cross-border payments, reports Ripple solution leverages the block came with a digital asset XRP that serves as a bridge between local, domestic, and fiat currency. I want to close with this week's statement by Jack the Ripple, which claims that if it's clear that security, the current Judge Torres wouldn't need to wait. While Fidelity was making headlines, Bennett's coin followed the larger crypto market despite Bennett's experiencing more setback. And in Europe, XRP defied the bullish crypto market trend as investor confidence was dampened by SAC versus Ripple quiet indicators of the U.S. economy pointed to a turbulent week for Bitcoin and the larger crypto market. It was a bumpy week before inflation data on Friday indicated a near-term end to the Fed's monetary policy. Despite ongoing inflation and rising interest rates, U.S. economic indices encouraged bets on the Fed raising interest rates in July and September. Consumer confidence increased in June under the pressure of a tight labor market and the expectation that the Fed will raise interest rates. Both the GDP and the claims statistics were above projection, which together with the slow economy all led to a significant rise in morale. Since the U.S. economy grew by 2% in Q as opposed to 2.6% in Q, things may turn out better than anticipated. Despite Fed efforts to cool the economy, initial unemployment claims declined from 265,000 to 230,000, the lowest level since the end of May. The data supported wagers on a July interest rate increase and enhanced the chances of a September rate change. However, the U.S. inflation data issued on Friday compared to April, when it rose by 4.7% year-over-year, tempers aggressive projections on a September move. While the price index jumped by 4.6% in May, less robust personal spending rose by 0.2% compared to 0.6% in April, and the core price index showed persistent inflation compared to April, when it rose by 4.3%. The price index increased by 3.8% when it rose by 4.8%, an annualized basis, favoring riskier assets. According to news about BTC, the SEC versus Ripple case isn't moving forward, and Binance's issues this week gave rise to speculation that the Nasdaq Composite Index outperformed the cryptocurrency market this week, but likely concealed it for the first half of the year. The Nasdaq performed the best hone of the millennium. The Nasdaq increased by 31.7% from January to June, while the cryptocurrency market increased by 52.9%. The direction of the cryptocurrency market, despite restrictions and enforcement. The SAC notes that the market valuation of all cryptocurrencies is currently $1150 billion. I just want to quickly mention that if you guys did enjoy this video, you quickly subscribe to the channel. Share this video to your friends and family so that you all should be updated whenever we post a new video on XRP. Thank you and see you in the next one.